back to another in-depth weather video. Today, we'll be talking about more continental U.S. focused weather for the next few days. But if you like this video, you should like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. But first, just want to acknowledge something. I've been getting a lot of nasty comments. Just for future reference, you can't perfectly predict the weather because the atmosphere is always changing. So commenting on a video from a week ago saying that I was wrong doesn't do anything. So just want to put that out there. I really don't want to put disclaimers in my video because that's just terrible and kind of takes the atmosphere away. So I just want to mention it now so I don't have to mention it in the future. So let's move right on into it from there. So right now we do have a front moving through the northern plains and the Great Lakes, and there are severe thunderstorm watches in place that are related to those. Also some red flag warnings. We have also some high wind warnings, blowing dust advisories, warnings, wind advisories in the central part of the country here. But then after this cold front moves through, that cold air starts to come in, and we start to see that trend going cooler and cooler. Now on the radar, you can see that cold front here that is actually right about here, and those thunderstorms are just on the leading edge of that. And then you have a pocket of cooler air, possibly some snow in the backside of this storm, but mostly we'll be talking about that with the atmospheric river as it comes on, and then we'll see some snow in the Rocky Mountains. But let's move on here. On the satellite imagery, you can see that atmospheric river, everything's going to be pushing on. You could also see that convection in the thunderstorms here, and then you could also see the remnants of Delta kind of starting to move off now. It's going to be pushing into the northeast, bringing some wind, some rain, and then moving off the coast. So here is the National Weather Service page. We're going to focus first on the remnants of Delta. That's going to be moving north throughout the day today and tomorrow, bringing some much needed rain to the northeast. Then this front comes in, kind of joins forces here, and then you start to get a lot more rain in the area. That pushes through, kind of more nor'easter-like, but I don't want to call it a nor'easter exactly because you don't have that low pressure coming off building strength. It kind of weakens here as that front takes over. Then another one reforms here. Now, we also have the atmospheric river. So you have snow in there. That comes through. That's a minor wave. Then you have this next wave. This is much more major. You have some heavier snow, and then that moves through, and that'll possibly set up something else here in the central part of the country. We go to the NAM 12 kilometer model. You can see that Clipper system kind of comes through. Maybe some snow on the back end of that. So going back here, I just want to look first at the total accumulated precipitation. So much needed rain in the northeast, half an inch to 2 inches. Definitely something that area of the U.S. needs. The atmospheric river could also bring 2 inches plus to the northwest. Snowfall, let's do the total positive snow depth change. So definitely starting to see some snow back in the Rocky Mountains. And for temperatures, you can see that there's going to be a big shift in temperatures. You can see that cold front there kind of bringing in those cooler temperatures throughout the next few days, and the highs aren't going to be a problem. It's more the lows, and overnight is when you could see some snow in spots. Unless you live in the Rocky Mountains, then you will be much cooler during the day than your surroundings, but that is normal with elevation. That's all I have for today. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.